All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna cut out the rear shock towers for the BC Racing coilovers for the 4-bolt camber plates. You gonna do that over? Unless Kev's gonna be the one that's gonna get up here and do the intro, I'm gonna need him to sit in the back seat and be quiet. Deaf, mute kid, just quiet. Okay, so we're gonna use a 2-inch hole saw to cut out for the 4-bolt camber plates back here, and then we're gonna do a little bit of filing, maybe some grinding, and get this all cleaned up like to match how the fronts are. That's pretty much the singular goal today because it's storming, so we're gonna just do what we can as fast as possible and then go relax. So here we go.